Quick video to show you this set of chairs that I received from Yaheetech, and they asked me to give a opinion on it and make a short video. This is a really nice set of chairs. They come completely assembled. You just pop them out of the box and unfold them, and you're ready to go. They're a combination of plastic and steel. It's powder coated. And everywhere there's a hinge point or there's a connection point, it's riveted. So there's no screws to loosen up. There's no plastic connectors. They're all steel riveted all the way throughout. So you can see that here, all around. So these fold up. They've got a plastic backing here, so it flexes when you sit. You see that flex like that. Makes it more comfortable. It's got armrests here that are made out of metal, and all the frame and construction is made out of metal. And then this portion here on the bottom is also got that same plastic. So it feels comfortable to sit in this chair. And they fold up and out of the way like you would expect with a regular folding chair. I can just go like this, bring the bottom up, and they'll tuck away real nicely and store very thin. Much like a standard metal folding chair, but these are just a lot more comfortable. So they're breathable because you've got the slats there that are going to show you in between where you can breathe and on your back. So it's breathable, and it's the kind of thing that'd be really nice to put outdoors on your patio, by the pool, whatnot. But they're compact enough and convenient enough to fold up. You could take them to the beach. You could put them in the car real easy, lightweight. So good structure on these. They're strong. They're not flimsy. I would definitely consider adding a bunch more for this table here to outfit it around with more seats around the table. So they come in a pack of two, and they come in different colors. This is the black version. It's a nice powder coat finish. I hope that helps to learn a little bit more. Have a great day.